Hi, this is Katura with BlueNotary, and today we're going to be looking at notary acknowledgments. Now, this is one of the most basic sessions that you can have, and it's something that you'll probably see very often. We might see this wording at the end of or attached to a document. So here, starting this notary acknowledgement, we of course have the venue, the state of, county of, where we're sitting as notaries when this document is being signed. So we want to put on the date that this is being signed, before me, the name of the person who signed the document, personally appeared, and on this line here, we can put the description of the document that we are acknowledging was signed. So you could say, as signer of this last will and testament, as signer of this power of attorney, who proved to me on the basis of satisfactory evidence and the regular acknowledgement wording here. And then we want to put our state, our signature as notaries, and our seal. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.